Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone and opening the app you intend to pin to one half of the screen. Tap the Recent Apps button or swipe up and hold, depending on your Infinix Smart 8 navigation mode. This shows running apps. Once done, locate the app card you opened. You do this now because Android requires an active app to place into split screen. It's the only reliable starting point on this model, and it prevents delays from background loading. Next, activate split screen using the app card's app icon menu or the three-dot menu on the Recent Apps view. Tap split screen for the first app, then immediately pick the second app from the list or recent apps. This pairs them. Make sure the second app supports multi-window. Many games do not. Once paired, use the central divider to resize each pane. Dragging it toward one side increases the other. This approach ensures both apps stay active and visible. To finish, drag the divider fully to the top or bottom to exit split screen, or tap the /home button for standard return. If an app refuses split screen, clear its cache in settings or force stop and relaunch. Incompatible apps block multi-window. Make sure you are not in power saving mode because that can restrict background activity. If problems persist, restart the phone. This clears temporary glitches and restores normal split screen behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.